Hi, I am Joni Wilkerson, and I'm a developer and a designer. And we're here at one of my favorite projects I've ever worked on, the Canyon House, here in Scottsdale, Arizona. This dramatic, one-of-a-kind home is approximately 7,600 square feet. I can't wait to show it to you. Come on. As we approach the front door, you see we paid homage to the unique landscape of the Sonoran Desert. You also notice the symmetry. In fact, this whole home is about symmetry and balance. When I mentioned this home was dramatic, this is what I meant. Epic southern views include the iconic Pinnacle Peak and Camelback Mountain, plus 2 of the 7 desert mountain golf courses. It's really the kind of wow factor that surprises every time you come home. This is the open concept great room. Even though it's vast with 16-foot ceilings, it still feels warm and intimate. Each area is well defined with its own style and feeling, yet linked by colors and materials. We used large porcelain tiles on the floor in a gunpowder color and 11-foot custom glass doors that of course open up, bringing the pool patio and the landscape in. Talk about indoor-outdoor entertaining. The design concept here in this living area was meant to be cozy, soft, and comfortable. I designed or curated all the furniture to be low profile as to not block the view. This wall was a custom blend of stone I chose specifically for its color. In fact, color was my motivation. I call it the Wilkerson Honey Quartz Blend. And this fireplace makes for a bold and beautiful focal point. This huge room just needed a space to relax. This is the ideal place to put your feet up and lounge. And this side of the great room encompasses the kitchen, dining room, and bar area. I didn't want anything to feel too formal or stuffy, so we kept and encouraged an easy open flow. Dining here is a dream. And what's a home that's perfect for entertaining without the perfect bar? It even has an 800-bottle wine wall. This kitchen has everything a modern kitchen needs. It has a marble island and backsplash for streamlined elegance, making for a great contrast with the black granite countertops. Oh, and these windows and doors open to the outdoor kitchen and living area, which itself opens to the stunning landscape. Are you sensing a theme here? Let's go see the outside. Out here is another world, idyllic and exciting. The landscape literally tells a different story every day. The details include a beautiful infinity edge pool and spa, rain wall, and a fire feature, making this such a unique space. And of course, the seamless integration with the home itself. And let me tell you, parties here are amazing. I know firsthand. This master suite is the perfect refuge. The colors and materials continue from the great room, and it's on its own side of the house for total privacy. And of course, like the rest of the home, it opens to the outside, where you can go for a quick dip in the morning or a midnight swim under the stars. The luxurious spa-like bath makes a statement the moment you enter the dramatic double doors. And that statement is chill. There's a steam shower and a soaking tub. Both are open to the views, yet private because of the slope of the canyon. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of the Canyon House, a unique and special desert mountain paradise.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?